Newcomer NetLink NBN Trust has emerged tops in a report that tracks governance and business risk. It's one of 4 new trusts included in the 3rd edition of the Governance Index for Trust report. 46 of the real estate investment trusts in the report are listed on the Singapore Exchange. Now, the average combined governance and business risk score has improved, but some trusts have fallen behind their peers. That's because some trusts didn't declare the independence of its directors, while those with more foreign listings resulted in changes to their risk profiles.